Here in Colorado, we are approaching 1 million people who have received at least the first dose of a vaccine. That number right now is more than 930,000, more than 16% of the state population. Nearly 500,000 people have received both their doses. Kelly Worthman joining us right now from CBSN Denver, our 24-hour streaming service studio. Kelly?
Well, Jim, the governor says we have reached a milestone in the race to get people vaccinated. Just over 70% of Coloradans age 70 and older were vaccinated by the end of February, meeting the goal the governor set as the vaccine rollout began in our state. Now, that age group does remain a top priority, but beginning Friday, more Coloradans are eligible for a vaccine. That includes anyone 60 and older, frontline and essential workers like grocery and meatpacking employees, as well as younger people with 2 or more high-risk medical conditions. Then will come 50 years or older toward the end of the month. Now, based on the projected supply of vaccines our state expects to get over the next several weeks, Governor Polis believes the daily number of Coloradans getting the vaccine could double by the end of April.
I'm confident that summer will be very close to normal. Based on these vaccine predictions that we have today, we are very hopeful that people who want the vaccine will be able to access it in April and May in time to have a summer that allows them to enjoy everything that Colorado has to offer.
That said, Governor Polis is still urging Coloradans to continue wearing masks to keep people healthy. And as we mentioned at the top of the show here, Texas has lifted its mask mandate. Of course, Texans visiting here, they're still going to have to wear one, Jim.
The state health department says 64% of all our educators and child care workers have gotten their first dose of either the Moderna or the Pfizer vaccines. The state hopes to have 75% of them with at least one shot by this Friday.